Ipinakilala ni Pangulong Aquino ang kontribusyon ng mga miyembro ng kanyang gabinete. Tumanggap ng pinakamataas na pagkilala si Secretary Jose Rene Almendra sa paghawak niya ng 3 pwesto sa gabinete. Pinagkalooban siya ni Pangulong Aquino ng Order of Lacandula. Tumanggap rin ng Order of Lacandula ang iba pang mga cabinet officials. Kabilang na dito sina DSWD Secretary Rogelio Singson, DepEd Secretary Armin Luistro, Defense Secretary Voltaire Gazmin, DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman at Labor Secretary Rosalinda Baldos. Tumanggap naman ng Presidential Medal of Merit ang ilang pang opisyal ng pamahalaan sa pagtulong nila sa pagtahak sa daang matuwid. Kabilang dito sina dating Climate Change Commission Secretary Mary Ann Lucille Sering at Chief Presidential Protocol Celia Ana Feria. Umaasa si Pangulo Aquino na magsisilbing alaala ang parangal na ito sa pakikibahagi nila sa pagsasaayos ng ating bansa.
To all our awardees today, you have been chosen to be here based on your remarkable performance during our administration. But at the same time, these awards are meant to raise the bar for all. In 7 days, many of us here will return to regular civilian life. Of course, I think all of us deserve some rest after all the work that's been done these past 6 years. However, we cannot be complacent. Awards like the ones we are conferring today must always remind us of how much our country needs everybody's help, and how, as regular citizens, we must remain engaged in improving the lives of our fellow men and protecting our democratic way of life. Now that our time in office is coming to an end, we must continue to do our own small part in the grand task of building a nation. And I hope that perhaps, even on an unofficial level, we may still find ourselves working together as fellow citizens this time to give rise to a Philippines that we can be truly proud of.